You don't get into the business that she's in unless you have a heart for the kids, and she really does. If you went to the dictionary and looked up thoroughness, you'd see a picture of Tonja Fitzgerald.
I would describe Tonja as a visionary. She's a great leader. Because of her military experience, everything is going to be on point for Tonja. She leads by example.
She has this outgoing, infectious personality that you gravitate to. She was always approachable and willing to communicate at any given time to anybody.
Thank you for your service. I say that all the time to her because she went to serve during her first year of college. At a young age, here I was at college studying, and here she was going out to serve our country. That says a lot about who she is.
The area that she worked in the military involved a lot of logistical things. Well, that ties in perfect to being a school administrator.
She's a representative of not only the U.S. military, but also the Florida education system. She is a caring individual that she does not want to leave one child behind.
She is the epitome of a servant leader. She's able to help every area and be able to provide the resources that our children need and the families of Leon County need to better their lives.
We need 100 more of her. If we could get 100 more Tonja Fitzgerald, it would solve a lot of our issues. She's that good.